Changing your username on Gmail can help you personalize your email address. Follow these steps to update your username effectively. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Personal Info. Once logged in, look for the Personal Info section on the left sidebar. Click on it to view your account details. Step 3. Edit your name. In the Personal Info section, find the name field. Click on it to edit your first and last name, which will also affect your Gmail display name. Step 4. Save changes. After entering your new name, make sure to click the Save button to apply the changes. Your new name will now be associated with your Gmail account. Step 5. Check your Gmail. Open Gmail to confirm that your new name appears correctly in your email settings and when sending messages. Now you have successfully changed your username on Gmail. Make sure to inform your contacts about your new display name if necessary.